Okay, this video is going to be about factoring completely. I can't emphasize enough how important it is to take out a GCF. So if I look at these three, the biggest number that divides evenly into 4, 24, and 32 is a 4. I am also able to take out at least one x from everybody. So my GCF is 4x to start, and also a y, because they all have a y. So my GCF was 4xy. So I put the GCF out in front like we learned. 4 divided by 4 is 1. X cubed over x is x squared. And the y's would fall out, or they'd just become 1 or cancel out. 24 divided by 4 is positive 6. One of the x's would still be there, and the y's would cross out. 32 divided by 4 is 8. The x and the y would fall out. So we did a great job of doing the GCF. The problem is we're not done. You cannot be a quitter. So this is a trinomial that we can very easily factor. And the reason we can easily factor it is because two numbers that multiply together that give you 8 but add to give you 6 are 4 and 2. Okay, so we are done with the first one. Let's look at the next one again, GCF. Well, the biggest number that divides evenly into 5 and 80 is 5. So I'll divide a 5 into each, put it out in front. I won't take out any letters this time or variables because this one has the variable p, but this one doesn't have any, so I can't take any out of here. When I do this, I get p squared minus 16, but please don't be a quitter. This is a difference of perfect squares, which we learned would factor into p plus 4 and p minus 4. Okay, my next one here is x to the 4th minus 81. Difference of squares, please don't be worried that that is a 4. As long as that is an even power, it is a perfect square for us. So let's see. What multiplies together to give me x to the 4th? Well, that would be x squared and x squared. And what multiplies together to give me negative 81? That's negative 9 and positive 9. You did a great job, except for we're not finished. One of them is another example of a difference of perfect squares. And this one factors into x plus 3, x minus 3, and as we learned before, this one we just bring down because it can't be factored anymore. So that's my video on factoring completely.